Here you go. Still shows a little bit of road rash up here and right there, but other than that, it is operational. I do think that the forks are slightly tweaked. I hope they're not bent. I hope I can straighten the trees out. Keep in mind, this thing was a basket case, sat for 2 years. Listen to that sound. Screws pulled out of this case. I'm going to do something about that. Very pretty piece of machinery. I haven't even got hardware to put the license plate on yet. The ink's still wet. $2,800 miles.